Okay guys, I'm not gonna waste your time. Let me start right away. Okay, firstly you need to download the MetaTrader from the Play Store. I'm currently using MetaTrader 5 or MT5. You can also download MetaTrader 4, but I like to use MT5. So we're currently looking at the 4-hour time frame, and I'm looking at XAU USD or gold. We are currently moving up. We are currently in an uptrend overall direction. Let me just zoom out and see the overall direction. Yeah, we are currently moving up. So I'm gonna switch to my 1-hour time frame. I always start on the 4-hour time frame just to look at the overall direction. I don't analyze on the 4-hour, I just look at the overall direction. So I'm gonna move down to the 1-hour time frame and let me zoom out. Yes, we're still on that buy, direction. So let me draw my trend line. I'm gonna start here, and then for a trend line to be valid you need 2 touches. This is my first touch, and then this is my second touch. 2 touches or more. Okay, let me draw my second trend line. First touch, second touch, and third touch. Let me just show you. First touch, second touch, and third touch. So as you can see, we are currently moving up. We are looking at a bullish channel. Let me just draw this. This is my resistance. This is my resistance. I always mark my resistance and my support. Let me just mark my support. Okay, I always mark my touches within this bullish channel, and then let me mark this one as well. Okay, so the market is currently in an uptrend. The market started here, it went up and gave us a retest, went up, retest, went up, retest, went up, and gave us another retest. So currently we are on our resistance. So we don't know whether the market will go up or it will go down. We just need to see the behavior of the candlesticks, and then we'll take it from there. Currently we are looking for buys, but before we take our entries, let me move on to the 15 minutes time frame so that we can have a clear understanding. Let me zoom out and see. Yes, we are still looking for buys. Let me just delete this. Okay, so what we can do right now, we can draw another channel because we are looking for a buy. That's the overall direction, but right now we can take a short-term sell. Let me just do this. This is my first touch, and then this is my second touch. Remember in the beginning I said that for a trend line to be valid it needs 2 touches, and then we currently have this channel. First touch, second touch. So on our resistance we sell. See, on the resistance, price went down, resistance, price went down, resistance, price went down. So we are currently looking for what? Selling opportunities as well on the current market. price needs to go down. But before we take our entry, I need to move to my 5 minutes time frame, because the current direction right now, we are moving down from what I can see. Remember, not all of us see the same thing, but as I'm analyzing, I can see that we are currently selling. So let me move on to the 5 minutes time frame, and then let me zoom out. Sorry about that. Let me zoom out. Okay, yeah, but we don't just sell right away. Let me just draw another channel. Okay, this is the first touch and second touch. Okay, I know to some of you it might be confusing. You see a lot of channels and all of that, but don't worry, I'll explain everything. Then this is the first touch, second touch. Remember, there are a lot of strategies out there, but I'm using the channel strategy. What we need to do right now is wait for the market to go down, get out of this channel, give us a retest, and then we can take our sell. We can either let me just do this. This can be our take profit. This can be our take profit. So for gold, we are looking for sells, but as I said, the overall direction is a buy unless the market decides to go up, give us a retest, and then we can take our buy. Yes, up until sorry about that, up until this level. So for gold, we need to wait for a breakout, retest, and then we take our direction, because if we trade right now, it will be very risky. Let me just use another pair. Let me just delete all of these. Okay, that is how I analyze. But if you want your entries to be on point, I've got an indicator which you can use right here on your phone. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame and then install the indicator. You simply go to this F on your right, you click on that F, main window, you click on plus, and then you go down, look for stochastic oscillator. Stochastic oscillator, you click on it, and then here on the 0% K period, write 14. On the 0% D period, it's 3. Slowing, it's 3. Price field, low or high. Method, it's simple. Here on the levels, you click on the levels, and then you add level. You add 10, 90, 20, and 80. And here on the style, you can choose the color of your choice. Then here is the thickness of the indicator. I just chose on the number 3 because I don't want it to be very thick. And then you click on done. After adding those levels, you click on done. Then time frame, all time frames. Then the main, you can change the color of your choice right here. I left it at green. And then the signal, you can choose the color of your choice. Then you click on done, and you should get something like this. The indicator is down here. You can get something like this. So let's say yesterday you were looking for selling opportunities. So when the market gets here on the indicator, when it gets here on the 80 level, this is our resistance level. On our resistance level, we look for selling opportunities. So let's say yesterday you were analyzing and then the market reached this level, so you're going to wait for a breakout. Let me do this. Yeah, you're going to wait for a breakout. Then you look here at the indicator on the resistance. If these indicators are just below these lines, you can take your entry and then look at that. Look at that, the market went down. So this is how I analyzed gold, and I am going to choose another index. I'm going to look at US30 because I know it's everyone's favorite. So on the overall direction, I'm looking at a buy on US30. Overall direction, don't get me wrong, overall direction, I'm looking at a buy. Okay, let me move down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, it's looking very beautiful. We are currently selling. Selling, right? So I'm going to draw my channels. I'm gonna start here. So this is my first touch, and then this is my second touch, and then I'm gonna draw my downward trend line or supporting trend line. Okay, so this is my first touch, and then this is my second touch. Let me move down to the 15 minutes time frame. So the market is currently consolidating, but let me draw my lines. Okay, so the market was moving down, came here on our support, we got a buy, and then gave us a retest, got a sell. So it's currently on our support, we're looking for buys. It has to come back on this level to give us a retest, and then we can, let me just do this, the market has to go up, give us a retest, and then it has to move down. But remember, we don't control the market, we just wait for confirmation and then we can take our trades. Then we can take our trades. Let me see if I can just get a flag. Okay, first touch, second touch, then sorry about that. First touch and then second touch. So we're simply going to wait for the break and a retest, then we can take our trades. So let me add the indicator. So stochastic oscillator done. As you can see, the market, the indicator is giving us a sell, but we don't take this sell right away, just gonna wait for the retest and then we're gonna take our sell. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope right about now you know how to analyze on your smartphone and you will trade going forward. So yeah, I think I've explained everything that needs to be explained. You now know how to use your smartphone because not all of us have laptops. So thanks for watching the video and I'll see you next time.